Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video I'll show you how to use the Salesforce table conditional type using the Form Titan add-in for Word. So let's add our table, and let's say we want to bring in our account object and give it a comment, and let's start with the account name. Now let's check this out. We could use the type, just map in a regular field or do a formula, empty a row index. In this video we'll talk about the conditional. So I'm going to click the conditional, and what this will enable you to do is to decide which fields to map into that cell under certain conditions. So for example, if I would like to bring in, set a condition on the account name and say my account name contains a donkey, and just notice that this is a capital, case sensitive, then I would like to take, I would like to set another value and say this is a donkey account. And if it's not a donkey, then I would like you to take a different field entirely. I would like the Form Titan to map, for example, the account number. And you could add more rules. So if this rule doesn't match, then we can go to another rule and then set the fields from here as well. So in this instance, we'll stick with one rule. And let's save this rule and map in some other field. Let's say we want to bring in the type and we want to bring in the SLA. So let's set this up, type and SLA, and we'll insert the table. Let's take a look at our filter. Just refresh it first, and we'll take a look at the filter, remove the conditions. We just want to bring in everything. Let's bring 500 accounts, save the condition, and let's hit preview. And notice this, the name here, this is the account number. But when we get to the donkey, these are empty because that account doesn't have a number. Once we get to a donkey, then we can say that we set the value statically. So it tells us this is a donkey account. For the rest of them, whatever has a number, then it brings in the account number. And this is how it's done.